ಅಣ್ಣ ಹುಷಾರು, ವೈರೆಲ್ಲ ಐತೆ.
ಅದೇ ನೋಡ್ರ ನೋಡ ಸಕಲೈತಲ್ಲ.
Should I really get a haircut or not? Do let me know in the comment section. So guys, it's been 3 to 4 weeks now. I have been posted my latest video on my YouTube channel, and after a long time I am posting the new vlog today because I had my MBA exams, that too online. So I just finished my MBA exam and feeling really happy for that. So I was waiting to get that exam over. From the time of April or March, this is my second ride, that too only me and my brother Deepak, who has a Benelli 300i. Today the time has come and we are heading towards the Devarayana Durga, which is near Tumkur. So we will be going there and flying the drone. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end, guys. Please try to take your stuff during this time whenever you go for rides, because you don't know what might happen, who might have the corona. So don't risk your life. So make sure you try as much as possible to take your own stuff. It may be food, drinks or whatever it is. So that's the trip. I woke up at 5:15 and right now the time is almost 6:30. So this is what happens every time my brother is very late. I don't know when we will be going and reaching the spot, because Devarayana Durga is a place where you can see the sunrise and all, and it's same kind of Nandi Hills. So we missed the chance, so but it's okay. We are going just for fun, for some relaxation that we will be getting for sure. So let's wait till he comes and let's take the bikes out. I mean, I'm going in my Royal Enfield. My brother is not coming, so the R15 stays here. So guys, I think this is the hill, I mean the betta. Wow. superb. This is the trekking spot. So I think we need to park our bikes over here only. So let us do that. So guys, very disappointing after such a beautiful roads. Actually these hills need at least 4 to 5 hours of trek. So that's what the local people guided us with. They said that if you start now, you will be reaching there around 1 or 2 p.m. and we have all the riding gears, we have luggage, we have drone camera and all. So we thought it won't be good if we start looking with our riding gears. Yeah, we have helmet as well, so we need to carry the helmet and we won't be able to reach the top of the hill. The top of the hill is really amazing, guys. As you can see, the fog is still there. I am wearing my riding boots as well and it makes it so difficult to climb the hill. So heading back towards GD Hills, I will be seeing you there. ಏನಣ್ಣ? ಹಾಂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲಿ. Hey guys, welcome back. As you saw in the video, we were about to go near the Pandava betta and trek that hill, but we thought it will be very difficult because the local guide said that we will at least need 4 to 5 hours to complete the whole trek to the peak. So what we thought was, let us come to Devarayana Durga hills. We will go for the viewpoint, but we are so unlucky that even this place was closed. I mean, we have come on the weekend, right? So they had closed the gates because a lot of people are rushing towards this place, especially people of Tumkur. So they are coming here for the purpose of walking, cycling and all. There are a lot of people today here. Even I got irritated by this crowd. So what happened was, the viewpoint's gate was closed and we had to just trek this hill. It's actually a mountain next to the DD hills, so that's the hill actually. you are seeing, we are climbing down the hill, and it's too difficult actually, because as you can see, I am wearing my BBG's riding boots, and my leg is hurting like hell, man. And we still have a long way to go down. Just see over there, my brother is going over there, and sorry for the light conditions, guys. The weather itself is like this. It's not a sunny day, but really liking this weather a lot, because this weather made our day. And the roads which you saw in this video were of Namad Chilume. That's the historical place. Just look at the roads. If you are planning for a day out, then DD Hills will be the best place. It's around 70 kilometers from Bangalore, so you can surely give a visit to this place. But make sure you are coming on the weekday, because on the weekend you have a lot of people coming here for cycling and walking. Just take the view, man. So behind me, that's the DD Hills. I mean, the viewpoint is behind that, but still take a view. Okay, so that's it, guys. I would like to sign out this video. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.